Hi, this is an attempt on how to convert an audio or an instrumental from a male version to a female version. I really like this song, but it's just too high or too low for me. And whenever I reach to the point where I have to sing the chorus, you need to belt, but I can't belt because I'm just a low life and I can't sing that good. But anyway, I really like the song. I want to convert it to a female version where I can sing it comfortably, a little bit comfortably, where I don't have to destroy my throat. So this is the song that I wanted to convert. It's a song called My Love Will See You Through, and it's an instrumental. And I want to convert it to a female version. But first I will play it just so you will see what I meant. Or hear what I meant. Too loud. When times get rough, listen, and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that it's too high for me, but when I use the lower voice, be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night. Anyway, that's what I meant about changing it to a more comfortable pitch or whatever. Okay, you get what I was talking about. And let's try to change it to a female version tone. Highlight the song, double click, and go to Effect, change pitch from G sharp or A flat to choose the chord that you are comfortable in. I am going to choose D. Check the use high quality stretching. I don't know what that means, but it seems like a good idea. So yeah, preview. Okay, let's try this one. It might take a little bit of time, but just be patient. Yay, it's done. So let's try it. When times get rough and your dreams just fall apart, and sometimes you feel that you can't go on, be strong, hold on, for my love will keep you warm through the coldest night, through the rain, through the storm, when friends turn their backs on you and you're so helpless you don't know what to do. I'll be on your side to comfort you. My love will see you through. When tears are in your eyes and you feel like You wanna cry, just reach out, and I'll be around to understand. When you stumble and fall, and you need a shoulder to lean on, all you have to do is call, and I'll be there with a helping hand. When the road seems so long and endless, and all you see is nothing but darkness, don't give up, just walk on. Have faith in your heart, for my love will see you through. So yeah, I'm a little bit comfortable now. I'll just go around and play with your pitch, and whatever is comfortable for you, then go ahead and change it. So that's all I can do right now, and I hope this helped a little bit, or if it didn't, please be nice. And happy singing, and have a great day. Bye.